If you like gigantic views, towering oaks, and water features galore, this is one of those rare gems of a community where we can offer so many things. I'm talking ponds and a beautiful creek that runs along the back of many of the properties here.
Wow, this is really cool. You know, when we come and buy properties, every once in a while, you just happen to come upon a rare gem like this. Beautiful rock bottom creek and a waterfall. Seems like walking around this place, there's another little feature around every single corner. Here you have more like a babbling brook, but I can't imagine anything more peaceful than sitting out on your back porch and overlooking this with the waterfall in the background. I love it.
I'm Vince Kataya, and welcome to Sanctuary Oaks. This is our very first large acreage community that we've had this entire year, and we couldn't be more excited to show it to you. We look at least 100 ranches before we make one or maybe two purchases. We wait for something really cool and unique, just like this. You don't see views like that in most of the places that you're going to visit. This is a wildlife and a nature lover's paradise. All the properties out here are at least 10 plus acres. It gives you plenty of space to spread out and have your own little oasis in the country. Sanctuary Oaks will feature a gated, beautiful private entrance, paved roads, and electricity run to the front of each of the ranches out here. Here at Sanctuary Oaks, you have a wonderful school district and so many amenities, not only on the ranch, but outside of the ranch. The town of Granbury is no more than 25 minutes away from here, and it's got everything that you could possibly need. You've got H-E-B for your grocery stores. You've got one of the largest Kroger's in North Texas. There's a festival just about every other weekend. They have an Opry house. They have concerts. It's one of the few lakes here in Texas that's got an actual sandy beach. The fishing is phenomenal. The water sports are great. There's a couple of wonderful restaurants that are right on the water. You can pull your boat right up, park it, and have a great meal. What makes Sanctuary Oaks truly unique? There's only 14 lots, all 10 to 12 acres. Are you going to be one of the lucky 14 people that gets this slice of paradise? One thing that we truly pride ourselves with here at National Land Partners of North Texas is taking our time with you. We're not gonna rush you out here and make you make a split decision on the spot. Everyone that works in this region here of National Land Partners of North Texas is from North Texas, and they truly know everything there is to know about this area. We want to do the best job we can for you in explaining everything and showing you everything this beautiful development and the area has to offer. So when you buy from us, you know you'll always be able to get in touch with us with questions, concerns, or for an update on your community before, during, and after the sale. It's how we've always done business and how we always will.
I really am amazed by this property. When I saw it for the first time, I thought, it's gorgeous for sure, but just getting around and hiking in the back parts of it, you just see so much more. You really owe it to yourself to come out and take a look.
This could be your sanctuary here at Sanctuary Oaks. I look forward to seeing you soon. Call or text us at the number below